Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. I have the absolute pleasure to be showing you around and demonstrating this 2018 4.4 diesel Range Rover Vogue SE. Beautiful vehicle, full Land Rover service history and £3,850 of factory fitted additional specification. Absolutely superb vehicle. Engine is out of this world, and as you can see, it really does sit very well on the road, and it's a pleasure to have in stock here at AMT. So I'd just like to talk you through some of the service history. As I say, this is full Land Rover service history. So from its first service in the March of 2019 at 13,324 miles, service again in June of 2020 at 19,032 miles, August 21 at 30,313, and its most recent service in August of 2022 at 39,626 miles. Now the car today has only covered 41,915, so serviced a mere 2,000 miles ago. And without any further ado, I'd like to talk you through some of the specification. So as you can see, this is finished in the Indus Silver Metallic Paint work. We do have the contrast with the black roof and Atlas accents on the side of the vehicle there. And of course the 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, which were in fact £1,605 from new. We have black badging. It's a fantastic contrast, and I'm yet to show you inside the vehicle because there is more yet to come. We have a stunning Almond Semi-Aniline Leather Upholstery. So as I just take us round to the driver's side, let's take you in the cockpit and show you around. Beautiful leather upholstery, been very well looked after, and we can't forget that we do also have a fixed glass panoramic sunroof. Really does brighten up the cabin, makes it a pleasurable place to be. I'll just take a step back and talk you through some of the specifications, starting here on the door card with the likes of the 3-stage electric memory front seats for both driver and passenger, the upgraded Meridian surround sound system. So if you do like your music, it's a very crisp, clean sound. And not only are the seats fully electric, they are heated and ventilated, and that is also extended to the second row of seats that also benefit. I've just come in to the vehicle. As you can see, we have the latest Touch Pro Duo infotainment system. And just scanning back here to the steering wheel. Not only have we got cruise control, but adaptive cruise control, and of course a heated steering wheel also. I'll just close the door. As we pop it into reverse, we do have the reversing camera. It does also come with tow assist, as the vehicle is equipped with an electrically deployable tow bar, which was a further £1,005 from new, and also a lovely trim finisher and auto terrain response. I'll say the vehicle has been extremely well looked after. It's come from a good home, and I'm sure it will make its next owner very, very happy. So I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you very much once again for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found that useful. Please contact our award-winning sales team to discuss any finance requirements, extended warranties, and of course our Lifeshine Auto Glim to protect that beautiful Indus Silver Metallic paintwork. Thank you for watching. We look forward to speaking to you soon.